In recent years, space technology has become very important for India's development and security. Satellite communication helps in providing connectivity in remote areas, disaster management, navigation, defense communication, and broadcasting service. With the growing use of space technology, cybersecurity of space infrastructure has also become necessary. In this context, the Indian Computer Emergency Response Team (CERT-IN), in collaboration with the Satcom Industry Association of India (SIA) India, has released space cybersecurity guidelines in 2026. The framework was unveiled during the DevSat conference and Expo 2026 in New Delhi. The initiative reflects India's growing focus on protecting its space ecosystem from evolving cyber threats. Need for space cybersecurity. Space cybersecurity is important because satellite communication systems support connectivity, disaster management, defense communication, navigation, and broadcasting services in India. Increasing dependence on space-based technology has made critical infrastructure such as satellites, ground stations, and communication networks vulnerable to cyber threats. Cyber attacks like signal jamming, spoofing, and data manipulation can disrupt essential national and strategic services. Protecting space assets is necessary to maintain India's technological independence, economic growth, and national security. In this context, Indian Computer Emergency Response Team (CERT-IN) and Satcom Industry Association of India (SIA) India have developed cybersecurity guidelines to strengthen India's space ecosystem. Main features of CERT-IN Space Cybersecurity Framework: comprehensive ecosystem coverage. The framework secures the entire space communication ecosystem, including satellites, ground infrastructure, communication links, and space-related supply chains. Defense in-depth approach. It adopts a multi-layered security model based on defense in depth, breadth, and height to address evolving cyber threats. This means security must be ensured at multiple levels such as satellite system, ground infrastructure, and supply chains. Secure by design architecture encourages integration of cybersecurity at the design and development stage of space system rather than adding it later. Threat-based risk assessment recognizes emerging and sophisticated cyber threats such as jamming, spoofing, unauthorized access, and supply chain vulnerabilities. Stakeholders. The framework covers different stakeholders including satellite operators, equipment manufacturers, private space companies, and government agencies. It encourages a clear division of responsibilities and promotes proactive cyber risk management. The framework will also be updated regularly after consultation with industry stakeholders. Public-private partnership model. The initiative reflects cooperation between government and industry. Space technology development now involves private companies, startups, and academic institutions. CERT-IN Space Cybersecurity Framework importance for India. Protects India's critical space infrastructure such as satellites, ground stations, and communication networks. Strengthen national security by securing space systems used in defense and strategic operations. Supports India's technological sovereignty by reducing cyber dependence on external systems. Promotes safe expansion of India's space economy, including private space sector participation. Improves reliability of satellite communication during disaster management and emergency services. Enhance India's preparedness against evolving cyber threats in the global space environment. About CERT-IN. The Indian Computer Emergency Response Team (CERT-IN) works under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India. It is the nodal agency responsible for handling cybersecurity incidents in India under Section 70B of the Information Technology Act 2000. CERT-IN operates a 24/7 help desk to monitor and respond to cyber threats such as hacking, phishing, and other cyber attacks. The organization provides services related to cyber incident prevention, response coordination, and security quality management across sectors. About SIA India. The Satcom Industry Association of India (SIA) India is a non-profit organization representing India's space and satellite industry. Its members include satellite operators, manufacturers, startups, academic institutions, suppliers, and law firms working in the space sector. The organization acts as a bridge between industry and policy-making bodies. It promotes global collaboration and provides a platform for industry stakeholders to communicate with the government regarding space and satellite policies.